Have you ever wondered what's inside the lathe? Ooh! What we're looking at is the heart of the lathe. This is the spindle, and this is where all the rotation comes from that helps you turn, right? Well, we have two different wheels here. These are different sizes, and what they represent is the speed and the torque, or the power of the lathe. So the way I remember it is, this wheel up here, which is the bigger one, is the big, tough, torquey guy. He's also slower. He can't go as fast. This one here, the smaller wheel, is the fast guy. He can go really, really fast. Well, why do you need them? You need the fast one where you're doing small spindle stuff and you need to spin really quickly so you can get your cut. And the big one, and if you're putting something on your lathe that's out of round or large or wonky, you want the big one so you can slow it down and have the power of the motor transferred through the cut. And that way it doesn't stall out on you. Now, it's not just here, it's down here too where this works. So when you open this up inside, Robust made a really nice access to this. In here is the spindle, what the wheel is attached to, the belt's attached up to this one. So that made a lot of sense, but you get what I mean. This is attached to the spindle, but this is also attached back here to this 3 horsepower motor. Horsepower helps when you're turning big stuff. Now, if I want to change this belt, I simply come to this handle here, loosen it, and I knock everything over next to my lathe. And I lock it in like that. So now it's loose, right? Well, so I'm on the little wheel here. So I have to come up here on top where I'm on the big wheel, and I'm gonna take the belt and just roll it off the top like that. And then when you look down here, now you have all this slack off the small wheel, so you can go to the next size over to that big one right there. Just make sure that you're lined up with the belt on the wheels, so when you come here and you release the pressure, that it falls into the grooves and it's running true. The other thing is, I just let the pressure of the motor put the belt in place. I like that because if I'm turning and I get into a catastrophic, stupid situation where I've really stuck the tool in, there's a chance the belt will slip a little bit and buy me a little bit of time to get out of trouble. But anyway, that is what's inside the lathe.